kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a Halloween pumpkin by using alphabet C, triangle and rectangle. Come, let's start. First draw a curve like alphabet C. And another curve by using backward C. Draw two slanted curves parallelly. Draw sharp edge oval for a leaf and curved lines inside. Draw a spiral to the stem. Draw two triangles for eyes. Draw another triangle for nose. Draw a sleeping line and then slanted line, again sleeping line, again slanted line, sleeping line, slanted line. Continue that for another two. Then draw curve and again start doing slanted line, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, and continue for another two. Now close the sleeping lines with curves. Again another set of curved lines on both the sides. Let's start coloring. Brown, green, orange, now give the black color for the boundary. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a fish bowl. See you.